The art of subtle makeup, enhancing your natural glow. Title: The art of subtle makeup, enhancing your natural glow. Introduction: 150 words. The beauty industry has evolved to embrace a wide range of makeup styles, from bold looks with vibrant colors to ethereal aesthetics that celebrate simplicity. Among these styles, the art of subtle makeup has gained significant popularity. Subtle makeup focuses on enhancing one's natural features and creating a radiant glow without appearing heavily made up. In this article, we will explore the techniques, products, and tips for achieving a natural, subtle makeup look that enhances your natural beauty. Choosing the right base, 200 words. The key to a subtle makeup look starts with choosing the right base. Opt for a foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone perfectly. Look for products that offer a lightweight formula and provide a natural, dewy finish. Avoid heavy coverage foundations as they can mask your natural radiance. Remember, the goal is to let your skin shine through. Prepping your skin, 200 words. Before applying any makeup, it is essential to prepare your skin properly. Cleanse your face thoroughly and follow up with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Using a primer that blurs imperfections and minimizes the appearance of pores can also help create a smooth canvas for your makeup. Additionally, don't forget to apply sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Enhancing your features, 300 words. Subtle makeup focuses on enhancing your natural features without overpowering them. Start by defining your eyebrows using a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Gently fill in any sparse areas and brush them into shape. To enhance your eyes, opt for neutral eyeshadow shades that complement your complexion. Soft, matte browns, taupe, and soft pinks can create a subtle depth and dimension. Apply a thin line of brown or taupe eyeliner close to the lash line to define your eyes without the harshness of intense black liners. Finish with a coat or two of a natural-looking mascara for fluttery lashes. When it comes to the cheeks, choose a soft blush in a natural shade. Apply it lightly on the apples of your cheeks, blending towards your temples for a healthy flush of color. Avoid applying too much product, a subtle hint of blush is all you need. For the lips, nude, peach, or pink shades that closely resemble your natural lip color are perfect for a subtle makeup look. Look for lipsticks or lip glosses with a satin or natural finish that moisturize your lips while providing a hint of color. Subtle makeup aims to enhance your lips' natural beauty, so avoid overly glossy or matte formulas. The final touches, 150 words. To complete your subtle makeup look, consider adding a touch of highlighter. Apply a small amount on the high points of your face, such as the bridge of your nose, cheekbones, and Cupid's bow. The goal is to create a soft, natural-looking glow that catches the light without being too intense. Finish up with a setting spray to seal your makeup and ensure it lasts throughout the day. Opt for a lightweight, hydrating formula that doesn't disturb the natural finish of your makeup. Subtle makeup for every occasion, 250 words. Subtle makeup is not only perfect for everyday wear, but it can also be adapted for various occasions. Whether you're attending a formal event or going for a casual outing, the principles of enhancing your natural beauty still apply. For a formal evening event, you can add a touch of glamour to your subtle makeup look. Consider applying a shimmery eyeshadow in a neutral shade or even a subtle metallic hue. Pair it with a slightly bolder eyeliner to define your eyes and make them stand out. You can also intensify your blush slightly for a more pronounced glow and opt for a lipstick in a muted berry or plum shade to add depth to your lips. When it comes to a casual daytime outing, keep your makeup even more minimal. Stick to a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer for a fresh-faced look. Enhance your eyes with a soft wash of a neutral eyeshadow and a coat of mascara. Instead of blush, opt for a cream blush for a natural-looking flush of color. Finish off with a tinted lip balm or a sheer lipstick for a low-maintenance, effortless look. Remember that subtle makeup is about looking effortlessly beautiful, so keep the overall effect soft and radiant. Tips for long-lasting subtle makeup, 200 words. To ensure your subtle makeup lasts throughout the day, there are a few tips you can follow. Firstly, make sure you set your makeup with a translucent powder. This will help mattify any excess shine and keep your makeup in place. Be careful not to apply too much powder as you don't want to compromise the natural glow of your skin. Using a setting spray is another crucial step in ensuring the longevity of your makeup. It helps seal everything in place and prevents any smudging or fading. Look for setting sprays that offer a lightweight and hydrating formula for a natural finish. Additionally, consider using long-wearing or waterproof products for your eyes and lips.